Okay, so we're going to talk today about a financial term called the wage replacement ratio. Wage replacement ratio, and this is a technical term that is used by people in the financial, mostly in like the retirement industry, and it is what they base a lot of retirement planning on. In terms of how much people need to be able to retire. So I have a more formal definition for it.
Yeah, let's
if
hear
everyone
it.
wants to see it. Okay. So let me just bring it up here and let's see if this works or not. Wage replacement ratio. Can you see?
I can.
Okay. So wage replacement ratio, as defined by Investopedia, which of course never lies, is a replacement rate is the percentage of a worker's pre-retirement income that is paid out by a pension program after the worker retires. I'm going to skip down. More generally, a retirement replacement rate is the percentage of a person's pre-retirement income that will be needed for the person to maintain the desired standard of living after retiring. Got that one?
Got it.
Okay. I'm going to go down. It says replace this. This just startled me to no end. Replacement rates are commonly mentioned in the debate over U.S. Social Security. Under Social Security law, replacement rates should target about 40% of the replacement rate of for the average retiree. Did you read that, Gersh? Am I reading that wrong?
I see it. I'm looking at it.
Can you believe that?
I think what it's saying, I don't think it's saying that retirees should aim to replace 40%. I think it's saying that that retirees on average should expect Social Security to replace 40%.
I don't think that's what
Because
it's saying,
Social
Gersh.
Security, I don't know. Let me read it again.
As some workers have retirement plans or benefits beyond, so this replacement rate may be only be one portion of the funds available at retirement.
Yeah, but read this. Under Social Security law, replacement rates should target about 40% of the replacement rate for the average retiree. Social Security is meant to replace 40% of the average retiree's income.
That's crazy. That is crazy how much that is. But if you go down, income replacement rates vary from individual to individual. The amount requires analysis of the standard of living of the person wishes to maintain and understand of the costs required to maintain that standard. For example, if two employees earn the same annual pay of $100,000, but one requires $45,000 and the other $60,000, the replacement rates for those individuals would be 45% and 60%.